What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to complete Trash into Treasure quest in Arc Raiders. Completing this objective is pretty easy. First of all, let's open the quest which is Trash into Treasure, and you can see we need to obtain 6 wires and 1 battery, and there is no mention of looting these things. So basically we can get these items by trading an common item, and which is in my inventory. So this is the item which is assorted seeds, and to trade this item with battery and wires we need to go back from here, then go into traders from the top, then open Celeste, and with this trader we can obtain the battery and wires. So you can see this is wire. For that we just have to give some seeds. So let's say I want 6 wires, then I just need to increase the quantity, and then 24 seeds will be used to get the wires. After that we need to get battery. Select one battery from here, give 5 seeds, and once you purchase the battery and wires, then we can head back into the quest, and you can see the Trash into Treasure objective has been completed and we can claim the rewards from here. So this is the entire process. We don't need to go into map, and in case you don't want to trade your items, then you can go to the research and administration building, and from there you can obtain wires and battery, but I showed you the easiest way. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.